Welcome guys. Today I wanna share the OSX-KVM project. So this is a Linux-based virtualization MacOS on Linux. So let's start.
So go to the download code, and first we wanna download the project. So click here and click download zip. After that we just have to extract the file, and first we will create one directory. Of course we need to get root permission, so everything from this guide will be from root user.
So after we clone and extract this GitHub, it's Kholia. I'm not sure is I pronouncing it right, but anyway. Okay, let's start now. So the requirements are modern Linux distribution, Ubuntu 22.04 or later, QEMU 6.2, and we actually AVX2 for Mojave or SSC 4.1 for OS6 era. So it's up to the moment we have all the requirements. So I'm running TreeSquirrel, which is free. Let me show you guys. Squirrel. So I am running TreeSquirrel, which is based on Ubuntu 22.04. It's a free software, and the only modification I did to this is to enable Radeon graphics to work. You can download Ubuntu and do the same thing, it will work. Okay, let's continue now. So we need to install the dependencies. So copy this into the terminal, paste, and wait this to complete. Okay, we are done. So basically we can skip everything from this and just do fetching. So let's fetch like this, and we wanna use Big Sur, so it's recommended to use Big Sur. It's 4. So we are downloading now the okay, so recovery is done. Now we need to make sure to convert this into, let me see, did we have the DMG to img minus I. So base systems DMG, base system EMG. So let's convert this. So this is converting DMG to EMG. So we can use our KVM software just to be able to install. I want to install, before we continue, I want to install, because we don't have Notepad++, I want to install Notepad QQ, which is equivalent to Notepad++. And let's install this. Alright. And let me install this editor. Okay, everything is fine. And
Here I will create 32 gigs of virtual hard drive file just for the demonstration, and we need to see if everything is working.
Okay, and so open core boot sh. We wanna copy this script. cp cp open core boot sh to test OSX sh. So we wanna keep the original and we wanna modify our script, and I will show you why. So if you wanna install basically on your native, on your NVMe partition, we just want to edit this script and put different, for example, to change the virtual hard drive to, or NVMe, to not be a virtual file but directly to write to your physical partition. So I will show you how we can do this. But for now, let me open our test. Okay. So here is the window. Let's make it like this. And here we have our test script. So for now, what I will do, basically I will not change anything here. I'm just checking the script. I will start. Basically, we will start to see is this will run. Okay. Oh, we created probably in the wrong place our virtual. Let me check. Yep, we need to move it, and okay, move it here, and and run again. So fail to initialize. Oh, because I have run VirtualBox, so it's used KVM, so I need to shut down VirtualBox and continue. So it's gone. Okay, and let's start again. So and this time it's working. So let's start the base installer. So if you guys have in background some other virtualization, please shut it down. It's running. I wanna see is network adapter will work currently in this configuration. So if not working now, we will convert this to virtual manager, and I will show you how we can do this. Let's type reinstall, continue, and I wanna see is the network adapter will work. Or we can make changes to our script. So agree. So select where you want to install. So maybe we need to quit the installer, return to disk utility, and this is our boot EFI, this is our virtual drive, and this is the recovery, in my opinion. So I think we have the network connection here. Let me open the terminal, ping yahoo.com. Okay, so network connection is working. So basically everything is fine. So I will quit now. If you want to install just a virtual image file, we can install here, but I don't want to do this. I will shut down this and will show you guys what I want to do now. Is basically we want to copy this let's change this. Okay, I will show you something. Okay, so okay, we don't want to add this. We want to keep you root user to have full permission. We don't want to mess with our normal user. So what I will do is just to start here. Let's make so virt manager, open it, and go to config, and we want to go to preference, enable XML editing. So here we can open this, select here and choose virt.io because we want this stuff to be faster. So create, so we have NVMe, our recovery, and our open core. So guys, basically what I did first, because we don't want to add our normal user to have the virtual manager KVM rights, we just have to give full permission here on this directory. First of all, where we downloaded, so we just basically do this, and of course, because the script is make the part to have like this, but we have a master build, so basically we have last version, and what we want just to make everywhere where we have this path. So basically this is our open firmware, like EFI loader, which KVM is using to load OSX. So basically this both should be changed to correspond to our path. So we fix this, and something that also need to be changed here. It seems if I use the VMware here, it's not working, but we need to change to virt.io. So in order this to work, so let's apply and run. So here we go. We have boot, and choose this. And we can see we just added our virtual IO, our QEMU configuration to virt manager. So let's see if everything will work. Are we going to boot or not? So I will make another trick, but just want to make sure internet will work here. So wanna check the adapter. Yes, it's a bridge device. So let's see. I wanna open the disk utility first. So basically what we want is just click here, one second, view, so show all devices, and we can see our entire drive mounted. So what we want, this is basically our mixer partition. So this is our QEMU bootloader, so we don't need this. We need virt.io, which is our NVMe now here, and this container. Basically, if I want to click partition, we can see here our drive is 200 gigabytes. So this is my previous installation, so I will delete this, erase, and it's done. So here we go, we have our basically this part format. So if you say partitions now, you can see this is our Apple FS partition. We don't want to mess with everything else because we will break the entire structure of our previous operating system, so let's keep like this. But one more thing that I want to do is, because this is a recovery and this will use entire like to download the 12 gigabytes of macOS, I just have ready to use already installed recovery to another hard drive. So what I will do, I will try to use this and just mount it, and we'll try to boot from it. So I will pause here, get my external USB drive, connect to the laptop, and we will continue. So guys, I connected my external virtual hard drive. So let's start the GNOME disks, and here we go. This is a Monterey installer already installed in this external hard drive. So what we want to do is just copy this, go to our configuration. This is our recovery, but we don't need this. What we will do is just remove that. Alright, remove, add, select here, and just place like this, finish, and let's see if this will do the trick. I think it will work, so let's try it. Okay, here we go. We can see Monterey installer. So let's run it. And we are booting. Okay, selecting the install. So we are doing this because we don't need to download 13 gigabytes of installer from recovery. We just will use this for our installation. So I agree, and here is our destination. Continue, and installation starts. So I will pause here and just return where everything is ready. So the installer finished installing, and we are back to selection menu, and what we have is our Big Sur, which actually is Monterey. We just choose this drive name. So let's try to boot now. And here we go. We just got to the boot screen. So now what I will do is, just because we installed exactly on our native drive, so I will reboot I have my EFI ready. So if guys, let me show you. Second. So iot-tech.dev, go visit our website, go to our forums, go to specifically to operating system, go to install macOS on Ryzen systems, and here basically I'm installing on this laptop. Here is my EFI. So if you have similar device, of course your EFI need to be done specifically for your device. But let's say you already have prepared this EFI and you wanna use it on your real hardware. So basically you can download this, and so I will show you exactly what is. No. So here is your EFI. So boot EFI, and here this is just my copy of noted text. It's not matter. So here is my Linux bootloader. Here is open core basically. So we have to extract. Here is Microsoft Windows bootloader. So we just have to copy and paste this EFI specifically made for your laptop here on your first partition. So copy and paste this, and basically you can boot natively your just fresh install operating system. So what I will do, will restart and show you how actually we will boot this.
So let's boot the fresh installed Monterey. From group menu we are choosing Open Core Boot, and if you don't have group you can choose directly from your EFI BIOS setup. So let's boot. And we can see hello screen, hola, and like a new Mac. So we just have to enter and set up our first initial window setup screen, and we are ready to go. Okay, so let's follow the keyboard assistant. And we are in Monterey. Let's see the system properties, and our EFI is working perfectly. We have 8-core Intel i7 emulation with Radeon graphics. If you like this video guys, please subscribe.